Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we change font size in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to change your font size in your Infinix phone, so friends you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change font size in our Infinix phone. In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, first of all we will on our phone setting to change font size. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on your font size setting. So once you want to change into small size, you can change into large size. You can change from here guys. So example I will click on this large size, and guys you can see your font large size guys. Your font size will change in your Infinix phone like that. So like that guys, you can change your font size in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.